Hello, I'm Ignis and I'm one of the Turkana procrastinators not wanting to work, but riding motorcycles is good. This is Turkana's new Hippo-Hips saddlebags. It's an evolution that goes back all the way to 2007 when we did a trip in Angola and we couldn't find luggage that would withstand all the abuse and the stuff that you throw at them on a motorcycle trip, especially an adventure trip or an enduro adventure trip where you go off the beaten track, you're reliant on yourself. So all this time, using all our experience, all our knowledge, we've evolved these bags and our saddlebags to this. So what makes our bags different? It's that normal lifestyle type manufacturing and fabrics materials do not last on motorcycle adventures. It's one of the most taxing adventure activities that you can do is on a motorcycle. The gear has to endure mud, snow, rain, wind, UV. So there's a lot more abuse on motorcycle gear than on any normal activity, whether it's 4x4 or hiking or any of those activities. The majority of our customers are people that really goes off the beaten track. They know what they want, they've been there, they've used gear that doesn't last. So over time we've evolved these bags with the fabrics and the materials to what we get today. Our fabrics are made specially for us with additional UV coatings, additional waterproofing, the tear strength, the wear resistant, the abrasive resistant. We even go to such lengths to get webbing made specifically for us. They must have a 400 or a 600 kilogram braking strength. They must be UV protected. One of the main things is that the gear must be UV resistant. There's nothing like seeing gear after a year and they faded, it looks like a bleak piece of chicken and it deteriorates the fabrics. We've also evolved the manufacturing processes that we use to make sure that the bags can withstand drops, abuse, going into narrow canyons, scrapes, all those kind of activities that most of us do with this kind of motorcycles. So for example, there's only 3 panels. There's the front all the way around to the back. There's a panel this side and there's a panel on the other side. And the reason for that is most other normal one season bags or budget type of bags, the majority of them use 5 panels. They've got a panel in the front, panel on each side, the panel at the bottom, panel at the rear, and then they get sewn together with one row of stitching. And that's exactly why they come apart. And when you have a yard sale, when you drop the bike somewhere on the dirt road at a low speed. So we use 3 rows of stitching, for example. You use different kind of manufacturing processes to make sure that the entire bag is a solid unit that doesn't just rip apart and it can withstand crashes and falls. Also, we've got a webbing portion that can run all the way from the back to the front, which also compresses the bag. It keeps its integrity, so when you do have falls, it's not the end of the world. They will survive. You will not have a yard sale somewhere on a dirt road. Part of the protection of the Hippo-Hips on the 20 litre and the 30 litre is a protection plate that runs all the way from the back to the front, halfway up to the front, which adds a lot of rigidity and protection to the bags. It's an incredibly tough plate. It can take a lot of abuse. It will protect the inside, the contents of your bag from sticks and stones and branches that kicks up from your rear wheel. And even if you do have knocks and falls, it adds additional protection to the content, to your content and to the bags. It makes the entire saddlebag just so much stronger and able to endure years of use. These kind of small details that goes into our saddlebags that you will not find on other brands, and that's what's making these saddlebags different. In addition to that, it's got a slim profile, a narrow profile, and this is the 30 litre and you also get a 20 litre. So you can use them for commuting, you can use them for backcountry riding into small little tracks, and your profile will never be wider than what your handlebars are, which makes them perfect for that kind of application. That's why you also do not need brush covers and all this other kind of stuff to protect the bags, because they can take that abuse for that. In addition to that, on the front and on the rear, on both sides, we've got MOLLE and PALS, and you can attach the 3 liter Bush Baby on the front, the 3 liter on the back, which gives you then a 36 liter or a 26 liter capacity. You can use the 2 Oxpacker water bottle holders, the one front, one rear, or you can mix and match them up as you want. But it gives you an additional easy access packing for whatever you want to pack, or maybe rain suits or oil or whatever that it might be, or you can just use it as it is. But it means that the system is modular and you can adapt it to the way you prefer your trip. We've also made it quite easy for riders to decide how they want to fit the bags to the bike. You can either use it with the classic crossover the seat strap set, or you can use our plate mounted system, which then makes them quick release, that you can take them off the bike and fit them again quite easily. Made it in such a way that it can suit every kind of rider. You can also use it from one motorcycle to the next motorcycle. So the entire system is adaptable in that way. On the inside, we've got a red lining to make it easier to see stuff in low light. And it comes standard with a removable waterproof inner bag that you can replace if it gets worn out after many years of use. And if it's really muddy or it's raining, you can leave the bags on the bike and just take this into your tent or into a hotel or wherever you stay. So it comes standard with that. The bags are highly water resistant. What makes them waterproof is the inner bags that we offer with them. And they can take a lot of rain before they start to get wet on the inside. On the inside, there's an additional small zip pocket for papers or anything that you want to stow away. Well, that depends on what you're carrying with you, but stuff that you want to keep out of the eyes of wherever border officials or anybody like that. Part of our own travels that we've experienced and that we know over so many years is that at some stage you will have an accident of some sort, and you might break some of the stuff, or you will tear something and you need to repair them. And all our buckles, D-rings, tri-glides, everything is replaceable on these bags. So wherever you are in the world, it doesn't matter. If you can find somebody that can sew something together, or you can do it yourself, you can probably repair your own bags. The buckles are standard size, 33mm, 25mm, 19mm, 38mm tri-glides. It's products that you can find anywhere in the world if you do damage your bags. We make them in such a way that you don't need specialized tools eventually when something do go wrong. You can repair them yourself and reuse them, rather than throw bags away and they end up in a Chilean landfill or Nigeria in some lake somewhere. Reuse the stuff, repair them. It's a much better way of adventure riding. Well, that's it folks. That's our 20 liter, the 30 liter Hippo Hips. It will always keep on evolving. We'll always keep them making better. They're made for adventure riding, for proper off the grid, for going overland, cross countries, cross continents, whatever you can throw at them. See you next time.